Hello and welcome to this quick video which shows you how easy it is to get a fantastic looking, beautiful website up and running in literally a matter of a couple of minutes. So first thing to do is to click on the free trial button or any of the other buttons on the home page that brings you to the sign in page here and come up with a username for yourself. So I'll just put Jeff. Now this username can be anything as long as it's a minimum of 4 letters and lowercase, and then all you need to do is enter your email address here, and yes, we do want a website. It's asking if you want a site or just a username. We want a website, so click next, and you then need to come up with a name for your website, the URL as it's called. Now we'll just call this Jeff, but the site title is a name that actually appears at the top of the website when it opens. So if we call that Jeff's website. Do we want it to be indexed by search engines? So that means, do we want Google, Bing, etc. to find it on the web? Yes, we do. And that's it. So we click sign up. And what happens then is your website has been built and is now ready. So remember your password. You can change it anytime in the future, but to log in again, just remember it there. And then we'll click on view your website and we'll have a look at it. And here it does. Opens up in all its loveliness. Now, this is a template, one of a number of templates that you can change and alter from within Web Creator, just as a layout example really. And what you've got, the top right here, if you look at the different pages, is you've got a number of different example pages which have been loaded. So if I click on About Us, you'll see that opens up with it's a basic page. Our services will be a similar thing. Pricing, similar thing. So you can change these to your heart's content and do whatever it is that you want within them. But if I come back to the landing page, the home page, just to show you how we do that, it all really is centered around this red button here where it says Web Creator. So if I click on that, that takes us into the edit system. Now what it's asking me here is, would I like to have a little tour of Web Creator, as this is my first time using it. It just opens up the first time you do it. And for the purposes of this video, I'll click no. You may want to watch that, as it just shows you a brief run through of how to use it, similar to this video. The basic principle is that we can click on any of the elements within any of the pages and change them very straightforwardly and simply. But as well as that, if we wanted to change the entire layout and design and sort of color scheme of the page itself, the best way to do that is to come to the top right here where you see templates, click on there, and a number of other examples will open up in the browser. You'll see this is the one we've got currently, but there's a number of other choices for you here. And that's home pages, top right. If you click on the drop down, you'll see there's also different content pages you can select. And in fact, if you put a lot of effort into creating your own, then you can save it as your own template and use it again in the future if you should want to. But for now, we will just use this one that is on the screen, and I'll show you how you can change any of the content. And it's literally a matter of just pointing at the content you want to change. So if I pick this text box and clicking, it opens up in front of me there, and I change the text to whatever I want. So, hello from Jeff. Click that, and you see it changes immediately. This picture here, I can change any of the pictures as well that I want to. So if I come up to the row there, because it's a complete row, and you'll see it shows you a little bit about it. Do you want the picture to be the full width of the screen or fixed? So if it's full width, the content fixed, height, default, etc. You can change all these, link colors, usual fairly straightforward stuff. But for now, what we will do is I'll just show you how to change this background picture. I click select photo, and this upload editor opens in front here. Now what that means is I can select any picture from my computer and upload it to the website by either selecting it here, or easier still, coming to my desktop and dragging a picture in like this. And what it will then do is it will load that picture here. Nice picture of a golden retriever. I like that picture, so yes, click select photo. It automatically populates it there, shows you what the picture is, how big do we want it, and so on. Yep, we like that. Click save, and there we go. So that is pretty much that. I could obviously work through the whole website, changing any of the pictures, any of the text I wanted to. Once I'm done, all I need to do is come up to the top right here and click done, and then publish changes. what will then happen is it will go to the live website and show you the changes that you've made. So that is it. One other quick bit I'll show you though is on the contact form here, what we've done is we've loaded automatically a map for where your business might be and a contact form. The principle is exactly the same, but I'll just show you how to use it. That if we click on Web Creator again when we're within this page, then what I can do is click on the map here like this, and it will just ask for any address, and I can enter that. That can either be, as you see, a town or a specific street or house or building or property or whatever, and the Google map will load there accordingly. I can change my details here fairly straightforwardly again, and quite cleverly down here there's also a little contact form that people can get hold of us to the website. So if I click on that, you'll see that the send to email is where the contact form will write to, so you just put your own email in here. So I could change that to Jeff, for instance. Do you want to show a name, subject field, email feed, and so on? By default it doesn't have a subject field and phone field, but if I wanted to add that, for instance, I would just click show like that, and then save, and you'll see that a phone field has appeared here, asking for a phone number as well. And that is that. So my website's done, looking great. Publish it, and that is it. Thank you very much.